new Headdress floorboards, parts nicely packed, and I'll change them from the original one, and then they are just rubber. This ones, they come in the box like this, nicely packed. Should be relatively easy thing to do. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4 rubbers protruding through the metal board, so it will probably, by squeezing, will easily come off. So let's try to squeeze it. There was an instruction how to put the floorboards outside, even the plastic straps, and it says that the whole assembly time is 10 minutes. And here it says how it should be properly engaged. So yes, looks like a very easy operation. And the instruction says that using suitable rubber lubricant, put the boards in place. I don't know what is suitable rubber lubricant at the moment, so I'll just a little bit of water with soap, and should it be enough to slip into the holes. And the second floorboard taken off. It comes really easy, and the installation on the first one was super easy as well, only with the water, a little bit of push, claps into the place without any problem. And here we are, operation completed in less than 10 minutes. Everything was very easy and smooth. And all parts come out with the finger tips pressure, and putting in is also very easy. Just align the holes in the metal balls with the rubber protruding and just applying pressure. You can feel how they snap in place, and that's it. Beautiful thing. Beautiful thing. It's this Headdress floorboards parts cost about €300, and as I say, installation at home 5-10 minutes max. No tools required. One, maybe the only cutter to cut the plastic. Here we have the old boards. That's how it was packed. Instruction inside, and the effect is stunning. That's all for now. Bye.